Hello, my name is Walter Unglob, and this is how to write a linear regression equation without a calculator. So if you're trying to write a linear regression equation, you're probably starting with a set of data points, and since it's linear regression, you're trying to fit a linear function or equation to your data. So here I have a bunch of data in a two-dimensional plane, y and x, and I want to write an equation that relates y and x. So the standard slope-intercept form is y of x is equal to ax plus b, where a is the slope of a line of best fit and b is the y-intercept. So there's already an equation for these two constants, and the equations for the slope and the y-intercept will require you to take the average of the y values and x values for all your data points. So if you have a set of x points and a set of y coordinates, if you sum them and you divide by the total number of data points, same with y, then you get respectively the average in x and the average in y. Now that you have these, you can determine these coefficients in terms of the following formulas. A is going to be equal to, in the numerator, the sum from I equals 1 to n, where n is the number of data points, the sum of xi times yi minus n times the average in x times the average in y. This whole thing divided by the sum, I going from 1 to n, of course, of x sub I squared minus n x average squared. So this is the equation you would use to determine A for your line of best fit. Then B, your y-intercept, would simply be the average in y minus whatever number you get out for A times the average in x. So now you'll have A and B, and you just plug them in and you have an equation that represents a line of best fit for a set of data points. My name is Walter Unglob, and this is how to write a linear regression equation without a calculator.